Susan was a lazy girl. She always used to postpone things. Her father always advised her to get things on time, but she never listened him to make her understand the value of time. One day, her father called her and said, "Go and check your cupboard. There is a surprise gift for you." Susan has always said, "I will see in some time." And she completely forgot about it the next morning. When she remembered about the surprise gift, she went to check her cupboard. On opening the cupboard, Susan found her favorite artist. Stage show ticket, but it was useless for her as a show ticket. But it was useless for her as the show had already get over the previous days. Susan felt very sad and repented her habit of postponing things. She learned a lesson from this incident and promised never to postpone things. Moral: do not postpone anything. Do everything on time.
What is the title of the story?
Better late than never.
Who is the main character of the story?
Susan.
Was Susan is hardworking or lazy? Lazy. Her bad habit is unsa man to?
Backward.
Bad habit niya ang katungsig unya. Oh, katong maghilig siya mag-postpone sa mga butang. Who talked to Susan?
Father.
Her father. Kinsa man to ang naghatag og surprise?
Father.
Where was the surprise?
Ticket.
Where was the surprise?
Cupboard.
Where? Cupboard.
Cupboard.
Asa. Where asa?
Sa ilang favorite.
Cupboard. Cupboard. Nasa cupboard ang katong. Unsa man to? Unsay nasa cupboard?
Ticket.
What kind of ticket?
Iyang favorite.
Favorite
Artist.
and stage show. Did Susan check it right away?
No.
No. Why?
Kapulan.
Lazy sig? Onya.
Sige, postpone.
Yes.
Kasi ugma is postpone.
Suspended tayo. Was the ticket still useful? Yes or no?
No.
Kay, awihan naman yan na bawaan. Awihan na yan na?
What
What lesson did Susan learn?
Do not